Welcome to the Roney Palace, Unit 719, located at 2301 Collins Avenue in Miami Beach. Inspired by a sophisticated resort lifestyle, this unit was meticulously designed with customized cabinetry, built-ins, natural wood accents, an open kitchen with quartz counters, new appliances, and porcelain wood floors throughout. Furnished by Restoration Hardware, this property is being sold turnkey. Situated on 600 feet of pristine oceanfront, this refined South Beach retreat offers one bedroom, one bath, 900 square feet, a generous sized balcony, and overlooks the ocean and pool area. The Roney Palace is connected to the 5-star One Hotel and offers resort living. This entitles residents to access all of the One Hotel amenities, including multiple pools, cabanas, restaurants, anatomy gym and spa, juice bar, and shops. A private beach club service is available. The Roney allows 30-day minimum rentals, so enjoy earning rental income while you're away. Thank you for coming on this tour with me. If you enjoyed this property and would like to schedule a private tour, please call me at the information below.